Alright, so for my bike I've got this headlight. It's an LED headlight with a halo ring around the outside here. And on the wiring, it's got, on the back side we've got 3 wires for the main headlight here, the ground, and then you've got a high beam and a low beam, and then this is for the little halo ring. And what I'm going to do, because I want it to run with the halo ring on all the time, and then I want to be able to turn the headlight on and off. The stock bike is wired so that the headlight would be on all the time. So my switches on the handlebars only allow me to switch from low beam to high beam. The low beam is always on. So I want to be able to turn that off. And so what I'm going to do is put another toggle switch right on top of the headlight housing here. And then I'm going to wire in the low beam to that switch. So power will come in from here. It'll come up to the switch and have a break there where I can turn the power off to the low beam, and then I'll wire the halo in to the low beam power coming in, so this is on all the time. So I have the halo on all the time, and I can still turn the high beams on and off if I need to flick those to get someone's attention, that sort of thing. So this is the halo itself. This is the halo with the low beam, both. This is just the high beam. And then we're back to halo and low beam, then just the halo. So that's a headlight on a partially charged battery. I'm hoping that on a fully charged battery, it will be slightly different, like the high beam will be even brighter. Overall, I'm quite happy with how it turned out. It functions the way I wanted it to, and now I have a cool toggle switch, which I really enjoy those toggle switches for some reason. And also I'm now in the elite class of people with halo ring headlights, which I've always thought were super cool. And I'm looking forward to using it someday. So thanks for watching, everybody. Keep on wrenching. We'll see you next time.